Hi guys, Stephen here from INEXTERIORS Painters and Decorators, and you're watching INEXTERIORS TV. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the ceiling crack and to repaint the ceiling. With that said, let's do this. My tools of choice for this task are a roller bucket, a roller pole, some matte emulsion, paint kettle, paintbrush, corkboard, a multi-tool scraper, filling knife, dust brush, Gyprock Easy Fill 60 and some sandpaper. If you would like to purchase the tools or similar tools that I use for this task, please check out the links in the description below. This is the little landing ceiling we're going to be doing today. We're going to be dealing with the cracks and repainting. We're going to start off by getting the pointy bit on my multi-tool and giving all these cracks a good rake out. You might have some paint flake off as you're doing it, so make sure you scrape that back to a hard edge, then give it a good sand down. After we finish raking, sanding and then dusting off all the loose, we're going to be ready for the first fill. What I'm using to fill these ceiling cracks with is some Gyprock Easy Fill 60. The reason I like using this is because it sands down nice and easy. But to make it even easier to sand down, fill cleanly, then you have hardly any sanding down. I fill this in 2 stages because cracks often take 2 fills. If you want to know how to mix Gyprock Easy Fill 60, please check out the card on the top right hand corner of the screen. Because I filled it cleanly first time, I'm able to fill it the second time without sanding down, but I will have to sand it down before I paint it. When sanding, I like to use a worn down bit of good quality 80 grit sandpaper. All we need to do now is paint it. So what we're doing is I'm cutting in all the edges, then I cut around the smoke alarm and around the light, and then I roll it all. I'll give it 2 coats. Even though I've done ceiling crack videos before, it's important to film as many as possible because each one has a different scenario. So you might be looking for one and it doesn't fit, or you might find one that fits. So for me, it's just important to film as many different scenarios as possible. Also, if you want to purchase some of the tools or similar tools, please check out the links in the description below. A top tip when rolling a ceiling: make sure you've got plenty of paint on your roller, not to the point that it's dripping, and also the moment that you've got to put pressure on your roller is also an indicator that it's time to load your roller up again, because when you're having to put pressure on your roller, that's when it becomes hard work. And here we are, 2 fills and 2 coats of paint later, all finished. And that, guys, is how I like fixing ceiling cracks and repainting the ceiling. If you've got anything from this video, please like, share, subscribe. Please hit that notification bell if you want to be notified of any future videos. And please feel free to leave a comment in the comment section. Take care. Thanks for watching.